This is Little Beach here near St. Martin's. It's a beautiful beach. It's fantastic. I wish this beach was part of the Fundy Trail Parkway. It's a beautiful, fantastic beach. It'd be awesome if the public could enjoy it, discover it, explore it. It's a fantastic beach, beautiful, very beautiful, and it's long. Here's where the water comes out of the marsh there underneath all these rocks here. This is the marsh here. Little brook way down at the other end near where the road is. Little brook that runs into it, and this marsh is all filled up in this big bank of rocks. Is where all this water filters through all this big bank of rocks and then into the ocean. And then of course the marsh goes way down there. Oh, it's a beautiful place. Very beautiful. It's a beautiful day too, except the wind is a little too strong at times for flying the drone.
For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. Unknown man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can't find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way. Cause I found my way. My way. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. 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 I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
I don't wanna waste my time